All right, we're at the White Creek Line Railroad in, what's the name of the town? It's Cedar Springs, right guys?
Cedar Springs, yes.
Yeah, Cedar Springs, Michigan on a July 5th, 2024, and we're waiting in line here to go for a ride on one of these trains over here. Over here's some guys working on the train.
There's a train coming over there.
Train coming in, guys?
Over there, yeah.
Hi, I'm Trainum Gary, and welcome to this episode. Today we'll be at the White Creek Railroad in western Michigan, and this is a 1/8 scale outdoor layout, and we'll be seeing live steam and diesel locomotives. So all aboard.
Jim Henry.
Jim Henry, what kind of locomotive are you working on here?
This is my H10. It's a Pennsylvania Railroad consolidation. The full-size ones were built around 1912. It's a 280, and yeah, it's built by Wayne Godshaw originally, and then maintained by us.
That's the manufacturer of the model. This
Manufacturer, he's out of central Pennsylvania, and he's made now over 20 of these.
Okay.
Mine was, I think, number 3 that he built, and he's up to over 20. So it's a beautiful engine. It runs like a Banshee. It pulls even better, and you can run this thing about anywhere.
Now, what's the power? Is it oil or coal? What's powering this?
It's coal-fired, just like the originals were, and so obviously it's a steam operated.
Oh yeah,
coal-fired engine.
There's your coal there, and you shovel that coal in, huh?
Yep, and we basically use metallurgical coal because it's got lower valves, which means that it doesn't create as much smoke. So it's you can see in there, it's got a little fire going on in there, and yeah, we can pull 15 to 20 cars. Our home base is Mill Creek Central Railroad, just east of Columbus, Ohio, and where we got a comparable size track there as well. So,
Just asking, why is that tank car attached to the back of it?
so this holds about 8 gallons of water. Okay, it's a steam engine, you need water,
Yes.
and we have basically it's like an auxiliary tank. So this is filled with water, and we got a hose that connects it.
How fast does this thing run?
Well, so it's not like a sports car, right?
Yeah.
So they're not designed to run fast, but they're more designed to haul a lot. So the fun part about a steam engine is how hard and how much you can pull up a grade. So yes,
Where does this come from?
the whistle is actually down here,
Is it small?
sitting right there. Yep, steam. Yep. Water and air, and the air actually goes in these reservoirs, okay? And just like a real full-size train, we use that air to run air through the cars for brakes. So my train's out there, and that's about that 15 car length train, and we'll hook all this up, and then when we're going down a grade, we'll actually use the controls right here to manage the brakes on the train so that it doesn't run away from us.
Yeah. Once I started shrinking, I didn't care, but sounds so much better. Yes.
Doubling up.
says when he comes in. This could be our ride coming in here, guys. Waiting for a train to come in to pick us up.
Looks just like our red van. This might be the next. Should we stop with the next one, or?
Hey, we got 2 trains coming in, guys. What's your name, sir?
Hi, I'm Greg from Vassar, Michigan.
And what kind of locomotive are you running today?
We have a Backyard Rails F7 painted up in the WAG paint scheme.
And what year is this locomotive built for the model?
I think in the mid 2000s, I think.
Mid 2000s. And what power is this locomotive?
It's a 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine with driving hydraulic pump.
It looks nice.
Hydraulic cooler.
Do you have any plans to repaint the different road scheme? You're going to keep it like this, you think?
I wanted to paint it in the Rock Island, but everybody recognizes this paint scheme, so I'm kind of leaving it.
Yeah, you're kind of famous, you know, but me being from Michigan, you're from Michigan, it seemed like Detroit and Mackinac would be your goal, but...
Yeah, I grew up loving Rock Island, so...
Okay, you're from the East Coast then, or...?
No, I grew up in Michigan, but
wow.
The Rock Island, I love the blue and white paint scheme.
But now what we're going to do now, we're going to take inside under the hood and see what powers this locomotive. This hydraulic that actually powers it with a Tecumseh engine. Well, we're going to get a quick look at this and see what goes on the inside of a 1/8 scale diesel locomotive.
So how often do you like run this thing?
Whenever I get a chance. This is only my second time this year. This year's kind of weird.
Are you retired or are you still working?
I'm retired.
And what'd you retire from?
The Air Force.
Oh, so you've had a big career then.
Oh, this one has a Kohler engine in it. Not a pickup. See?
Close enough.
So here's your hydraulic pump.
And this is what actually powers the tracks. It gives power to the trucks.
The trucks. It sends hydraulic fluid to the trucks. And on the trucks are hydraulic motors with belt driven to each set axle.
Okay.
Your hydraulic tank, your hydraulic cooler, gas tank.
All right, good. Thanks for the show and tell here.
Sure, no problem.
Let's go for our train ride. All aboard.
So the controls where we go. I'll handle those and we'll go from there. Second thing is, sit up in the cars. If you start leaning from side to side, that's where we can have issues. There are small trains, so if we do have issues, they're quickly corrected. I'll give you instructions. Third, cameras and video. I don't mind photos, but again, please don't lean to get them. If I see you, that's the one thing I'll have to be very clear on. Other than that, any questions? All right. What's that?
Go ahead.
All right. All aboard?
This is a map of the White Creek Railroad. It's 120 acres of land of rolling hills, bridges, and tunnels. These arrows show where we're going. We start at the station, and you can see we're going to the right of your screen. And right now we're out in the farthest part from the station. And the track is 1/8 scale, 7.5 inches wide, aluminum gauge track with wooden ties. Now we're going to just went around Mirror Lake, coming back to the station. We're going to go into the station, then leave the station, and we're going to go out to Reed Lake, and then return to the station, and that completes the trip. It takes about an hour and 30 minutes.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, that's cool.
loving it.
That was so spooky.
Really?
If this collapses, you're all dead, basically. Nothing but wilderness violence, I swear. I hate these bridges.
Right, just build it all in there. That's the end of your run. Russ, thank you so much. That was oh, for sure. For sure.
No, I'm going to take a pass. I've already been on today. You guys have fun. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers from Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Train Room Pam.
This is Train Room Gary. Thanks for watching. Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.